Yep. Here we are. Microphone.
Here we go. Well, hello. Again, the same problem with Facebook as we had the last week. We had the same issues today again. So, welcome to another virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. Well, honestly, today we are celebrating. We are celebrating a birthday. We're celebrating the birthday of Eva, who is my wife since nearly 32 years. She can't be here today as it's her day off, obviously, as her birthday. So I thought I'd just sending her this wonderful flower arrangement here. Happy birthday, my love. It's great to have you with me. Okay, this was now the romantic, emotional part of our virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. We are today in the Penthouse. We are in block 12 at the moment, in the apartment 1224. And I'm showing you today a 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment. It's reference 3616 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. And I'm just giving you an overlook of how the situation is at the very moment. We have about 19 degrees. It's sunny, obviously a little bit of clouds, but the sun will come out under that. And as you can see here, we see progress on the golf course as well, because for the first time, the water is back in the lakes. Not only in this lake, also in the lake over there, and also on the lake over there. So, as you know, last week we have been speaking about that the owner of the golf course has confirmed to us that he intends to start works here in February and to open the course in April. Well, at least we see a very important progress, which is water supply. So this gives me personally a little bit of hope. I know that there is lots of information out there. Will it happen? Will it not happen? Well, actually, I do see this as an important progress, because without water, it doesn't fly at all. So for the first time now, since nearly a year, I would say, we see the deposits coming back, and this is really a fantastic sign. Okay, having said that, we are here to show a property which is reference 3616 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. Here we go again with this beautiful flower arrangement here. As you know, it's Eva's birthday today, so this will be the flowers I will hand over, I reckon, in about an hour and a half or something like that. So, already getting nervous. Okay, well, standing here on the terrace, views, breathtaking. Wow, isn't it? Overlooking the technical signature golf course, which will eventually come back to life. Overlooking nearly all the resort. We see the new builds there as well. So, yeah. We have arranged here a nice dining table, just to give you an idea how your lifestyle could be here in Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. As we said, we're in the Penthouse blocks at the moment. Don't get me wrong, the block is called Penthouse, so all apartments, even ground floors, are also Penthouse apartments. So yeah, just that we know. We're on the second floor today. We have fantastic views overlooking the golf course. We have a west orientation. Well, a slight southern aspect, but mainly west orientation, means that we're getting the sun as of early midday until it goes down somewhere over there. So the ideal location for having a cup of tea or maybe a fruit juice or even a gin and tonic on your terrace. Having said that, we walk into the living room. The property is sold as seen, fitted, furnished, with air conditioning here, for example, in the living room. A nice, good-sized telly. It's Philips brand. So the furnishing as well is quite of high quality, to say. Comes entirely, as we see, fitted, furnished. We see here as well, oops, we didn't close the infrastructure door, sorry. That's where the router is hidden normally. As you know, all properties on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort are connected through the glass fiber network and are provided with each of them a 100 megabit up and download internet line. And thank you very much, Paul. And I'll pass it on to Eva. So I just had to close the door because this looks a little bit disastrous here. Okay, I'm just standing here in the kitchen. So this would be the view for the one who is in charge of cooking, with views down to the golf course, to the living room. So, and as well, I'll show you the kitchen, obviously. We have a large fridge freezer here. We do have oven, cooker, extractor fan. Well, and all the Modcons toaster, kettle, and all that. Maybe microwave missing, and the dishwasher. Okay, that's what it is. Otherwise, it's in very good condition. It's fitted, complete with cutlery with, well, let's have a look. Okay, there's not a big deal on cutlery, but at least we have the basics here. Oh, well, that's where it's hidden. Okay, so as you can see, this is a more or less complete kitchen. We are on block 12 on the penthouses, so means we are close to the Kasar commercial center, where you find a supermarket, restaurants, bars, furniture shop, even an estate agent. Oh, Eva's even answering. I thought you were at the hairdresser. Okay, so I think this is getting pretty private now. Fine. So, sorry, having seen that, we are still in the living room. Just give you another glance of how this looks like. Next stop is the master bedroom. We had a little bit of an incident when we tried to open the shutter here. I don't know what has happened, but I think we have broken it. We have
pulling it, and all of a sudden it gave way,
and we can't move it. So
it's now stuck. So we're gonna have to. We will arrange the shutter guy to come and take a look at it.
Yes,
and have it fixed.
Exactly.
Don't you worry. Yeah.
So no reason to worry. We will take care of that. Otherwise, the living room is as well fully fitted. As we can see, double bed, 2 bedside tables. We do have as well air conditioning here in this room, fitted wardrobes. Just let me have a quick look inside. Is there anything interesting here? Oh yes, there's a chest of drawers down there. Okay, that's handy. Yeah, that's quite useful. As well, as we said, decoration, curtains, yeah. Comes all included. Reference 3616 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. We are now in the second bedroom, as well fitted with 2 single beds, all of high quality to say. This is all massive mattresses and all that. So this should have a storage here as well. There we go. There's an underbed storage as well. So that's quite decent stuff. Yeah. Okay, here in here we do have a ceiling fan. Sorry, I didn't mention that. We have an air conditioning in the living room and air conditioning in the master bedroom, which is normally more than enough for a property of this size. We normally say that these air conditioned units cater about 40 square meters of livable surface, means with 2 of them we can cater for 80 square meters. The apartment has about 68 square meters usable area, so I think we are well covered with that. And with the ceiling fan and just leaving the door open, I'm pretty sure that nobody will suffer here from heat or cold, because the apartments are heating up pretty easy to say. So, we have seen the kitchen, but let me show you the other side of this wonderful place, which is the entrance situation. As we said, we are in block 12 of the penthouses. Now the door will slam, but I'm pretty sure I have a key in the lock. Okay, this is now the back side to say, so we are overlooking Naranjo's area. Actually, this is Naranjo's Garden 4. Here we have Naranjo's 3. And just to show you where we are regarding parking, down there you do see that all car parks are marked. So actually it's the 1224, which is over there. So we do see perfectly that the car park is A, free and B, available. So each apartment here on the penthouses has its own marked car park, which comes also in the title deed. I think that's quite a nice thing, taking into account as well that each block has 2 spaces for guests. So that's quite nice, because otherwise it might be a little bit of a problem, but guests still can park as well just opposite, because on Naranjo's we don't have marked car park, so you just take the car park you find first. That's quite handy. In the back we see the Sierra de Carrascoy, exactly, sorry. And when we move over there, we have nearly views to La Manga. It's just we don't see the sea, but at least we do see the mountains and the islands there. So that's quite nice as well, but it's a little bit far away. Okay, fine. So that's what we have here, and the entrance obviously is just over here into this apartment. As we can see, they have installed as well mosquito netting, which is quite useful. Well, we hardly have mosquitoes, but sometimes we do get the odd fly here. So this helps again, really, also in case necessary. Let me go back. We have a security door, as always. In all apartments on Condado, we have these massive security doors with several bolts going in. So that's quite a... Hi, Leslie, how are you? That's quite a good thing to have. But anyway, we hardly need them because we have a very good security team working on site, and I think that's really good to have them here. Well, coming back to the terrace, and the sun is back as well. Thank you very much. Here we go again. Wow, need to put my sunglasses on. So this is how it looks like with sun. There we go. So we do see that the golf course hopefully will start in February and be finally available sometimes in April. As I said, we are really in a lucky position now because for the first time we do see also water in the lakes, because the lakes are obviously technically more necessary for the irrigation. So this is, to me, the first real sign of progress. I know that there is lots of information out there and lots of hearsay and comments and all that. At the end of the day, there is a saying, I think, in the UK saying, seeing is believing, and this is exactly the same thing here. Let's see what's coming up. I do understand that obviously COVID has put a spanner in the works of those golf course people, and they try desperately to open all their courses. So I'm pretty sure that they will not let go under our golf course here, because they would lose quite a substantial amount of money. So I'm really looking forward that this will take place. Yes, having said that, we are today in reference 3616 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacaleda.com, in a 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment. Did I mention already the asking price? I don't think so. It's only 79,900 euros, and we are getting this ready-to-move-in apartment with nearly everything necessary, except maybe some cutlery, as we've seen, for 79,900. I think that's a good starting point. As we said, we are close to the Kasar commercial center, which is the brown building you see there in the center of the screen at the moment. Excuse me. So walking distance there, so you hardly need a car when you're on site. You have the golf course opposite, you have the Kasar over there, so I think this will keep you busy at least for a week or two. Reference 3616 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacaleda.com. And the apartment for 79,900 is sold as seen. So all the furnishing, all the equipment, white goods, television, and we will even fix the shutter in the master bedroom. As we said before, unfortunately, we have broken the cord from the shutter, but I'm sure we will find the right contractor to get this back and up and running and before you come over and purchase this beautiful property. We are just coming back to the master bedroom. Anna again is hiding here and doing whatever needs to be done during the open houses. We have in all bedrooms fitted wardrobes, as we can see here as well, each with a chest of drawers. The master bedroom as well is equipped with air conditioning, as the living room as well. As we said, that's more than enough for this type of apartment. And the second bedroom is equipped with a ceiling fan, so that's also quite useful, and equipped obviously with 2 single beds, bedside table, and as well fitted wardrobe again. So here we go. So yeah, reference 3616 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacaleda.com. And as we said before, there are not always these nice flowers here on the dining table. The special reason for that is that Eva, my beloved wife, is having her birthday today. We'll obviously not mention that she now became 40 years old, but because you don't do that, no. So we just talk about the birthday as is. So happy birthday, sweetheart. Okay. What else can I say? I'm just standing here in the sun, enjoying the sun. About 19 degrees today. Well, Brandon, yes, thanks very much for your comment. They're really pretty spacious. Yes, that's true. You can really swing at least a medium-sized tiger. You can swing in here. Yeah, no doubt. Okay, well, then, I would say this was the apartment today in our virtual open house, presented to you by qualityhomescostacaleda.com. It's reference 3616 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacaleda.com. Community fees are around 85 euros per month, including their connection to the internet. Means that each property on site has its own router with a 100 megabit up and download line. Includes as well the use of over 250 international TV channels. The TV you have to get yourself, but obviously the The program's already in there, so there is no need for having an additional dish or whatever. This all comes out of our glass fiber network. In the €85 included as well all services provided by the community of owners, which starts with gardening, goes to pool cleaning, goes to security, goes to street lighting. Well, many services which the community of owners is involved in and takes care of. So I think it's a very good offer for what we get. We have very good contractors, and I think we are very well administered as well, also through our presidents, who are all every year again democratically elected by all owners, as well as the community administrator, who is also doing, I think, a very good job to keep the resort in the condition it is. It's really, I think they're doing a great job. Okay, having said that, reference 3616, asking 79,900, community fees €85 per month. Thank you very much for watching again one of our ever so boring virtual open houses presented to you by Quality Homes Costa Calida. Well, Sean, I have no idea about the schedules, but this is going on and on and on. So I'm pretty sure that when the president of this block or the owners of this block decide, then they will start again with the painting program. So, but this is to be dealt with by the community. We are not involved, and we also don't really dispose of information when this will happen. Okay, so thank you ever so much for watching today. It was a pleasure to have you on board, and I hope to see you next week again in another virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. Thanks, Paul, for your comments. Well, cheers, bye.